welcome to Storytime Island. Today, I have another short moral story for all of my lovely people. Once, all the fingers of the hand ganged up against the thumb. The shapely finger teased the thumb for being short, stout. They teased him, ugly thumb, ugly thumb. The thumb grew sad, decided not to be in the company of fingers any more. He sat there, unmoving. When the hand needed to write or hold anything, it couldn't. The fingers realized that even though the thumb didn't look like them, he was more useful than all of them. The fingers apologized to the thumb, and the hand began working again. So, friends, we learned today that in this story, unity is more important than beauty. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell icon to never miss another video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.